I'm going to show you how you can create a temporary chat on ChatGPT. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is go to a new chat right here and then select ChatGPT right here where it says the model of ChatGPT you are using, and then at the bottom you will see this option to create or enable the temporary chat. So if you click there, basically this chat won't appear in your chat history right here. It won't use or create memories, and it won't be used to train the ChatGPT models. And for safety purposes, OpenAI might keep a copy for up to 30 days. So now right here I can just type whatever I want or ask questions or do basically anything I want, and this chat will be lost once I close it. So as you can see, once you leave or refresh the page, the conversation history will be lost. So if you need to save any information on this chat, make sure to copy it before you leave. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.